Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to restore theme back to the default. To do it, firstly you need to open settings, then open apps and notifications, and here choose default apps and find your home app. Our home app calls like quick step. Okay, so now open see all apps, find quick step, scroll down, find storage and cache, and click clear storage. Click OK, and great, all our launcher settings was successfully reset. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.